Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Vanguard error Van 1067 in League of Legends. Let's get started. First, open Services. Click anywhere and press the V key to locate Vanguard. Make sure it's set to automatic and running. If it's not running, press Start, then hit Apply and OK. Next, search for Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and find Vanguard. If it says Disabled, right-click it and select Enable. After this, restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. If the issue persists, press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, and hit Enter. Scroll down, find the Riot Games folder, and delete it. If you can't delete it, make sure the Riot client is completely closed. Finally, search for Apps and Features, find Vanguard, and uninstall it. The next time you open the Riot client, it will prompt you to update Vanguard. That's it. I hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.